Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair rose 0.3% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 4.3% in the last session after rising as much as 5.1% during the session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The gold dipped a slight 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the oil gain 0.5% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Asian shares extended losses as troubles at US lender First Republic Bank continued to unnerve investors, amid concerns that growth in the world's biggest economy could very well surprise to the downside. The Ripple price has displayed a rather volatile price action since late March. This came amid woes about its case against the SEC, the class action lawsuit that claims Ripple Labs participated in an illegal securities offering of the XRP token. The dollar rose as weaker than expected US economic growth in the first quarter is not likely to deter the Federal Reserve from raising interest rates next week.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Germany's unemployment rate will be released at 07:55 GMT. Japan's BOJ monetary policy statement at 0300 hours GMT. Australia's producer price index at 0130 GMT. The US personal income will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US personal spending at 12:30 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 19:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.